Okay, good evening. Welcome to Math for Kids number 47. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 3 cars race around a track. One car takes 5 minutes to complete a lap, another takes 6 minutes, and the last one takes 7 minutes. If they all start at the same time, how much time does it take until all 3 cars are back at the starting line together again? Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me a little bit about the problem.
We have 3 cars.
Yep.
We have a track, and we have a track.
Okay.
One car takes 5 minutes to complete one lap.
Alright.
Another takes 6 minutes to complete a lap. And the last one takes 7 minutes to complete a lap.
Alright.
We know they start at the same time.
Okay, they started at the same time.
We can do the least common multiple of 5, 6, and 7.
Okay, what does that mean? What does that mean to do the least common multiple?
Well, we have to figure out what's the smallest number that goes into both of them.
Both of them.
All of them.
All of them. Okay. Now why do we want to figure that out?
Because that will give us the answer.
How come?
Because every that number of times, they'll be back at the starting line together.
Okay, well let's see. Alright, so introduce this concept of least common multiple. What does least common multiple mean? Go ahead, you can start writing.
First we have to factor all these numbers into primes. 5 is just 5.
I think you're right a little wider so you're not blocking. And that's fine, just make sure you stand over there a little bit.
Okay.
5 is equal to 5, okay?
6 equals 2 times 3.
Okay,
And 7 just equals 7.
okay. Alright, what does that tell us?
Now we have to take the largest prime power of each.
Okay, what does that mean?
So we have all these primes, we have to take the largest prime power of each prime.
Okay.
So we have a 2 times a 3 times just prime power 5 times 7.
Okay, 2 times 3 times 5 times 7.
6
And now you're off. So start writing this way.
Okay. This is 6 times 35. Actually, I have a better idea.
Okay. 2 times 3 times 5 times 7.
I'm going to do 2 times 7 and 3 times 5. That's 14. Times 15.
I'll tell you what, there was an even better idea waiting for you there in evaluating 2 times 3 times 5 times 7.
Better.
What's the best idea?
It's 10 times 21 is
10 times 21. Okay. 210 minutes. Okay. So what's going to happen at 210 minutes?
They're all going to be back at the starting line.
Okay, so let's see the 3 cars. One takes 5 minutes to go around. So is the car that takes 5 minutes to go around be back at the starting line at 210 minutes?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's 210. If I can go into that.
Okay, 5 times what equals 210?
Well, 5 times 40 equals 200.
That's right.
5 times 2 equals 10, so 5 times 42.
Okay, it's 5 times 42. Okay, does 6 go into 210? So the car that takes 5 minutes to go around will have done 42 laps. Okay, does 6 go into 210?
Yeah.
What is it? 6 times what is 210? Oh, don't write down there. If you're going to write where the camera can see. Oh, you're going to actually do the division?
Yeah, I'm going to do division.
Okay.
I'm getting laryngitis.
Yeah, I know. Okay. 6 times 210. 6 goes into 21 how many times? 3. 18. 18. You're losing your voice right on camera. Okay. 21 minus 18 is?
It's 10 and 3.
Okay. 6 goes into 30. Okay. So the car that takes 6 minutes to go around will have just completed 35 laps. Does 7 go into 210?
I hate when I'm losing my voice.
Yeah. 7 go into 210?
And I'm steady.
Okay. And the car that takes 7 minutes to go around will have just completed 30 laps. Okay, now let me show you something kind of neat here. The reason I had you do all these divisions is because there was a really easy way to do them, and I just wanted you to see if you would notice it. Okay? So we said 210 equals 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. Right? That's what we said?
Yep.
Okay? So 210 is 5 times 2, 3, and 7. What's 2 times 3 times 7?
6 times 7 is 42.
Just what we found.
Bing!
6 goes into 210. 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 times what is
6
210?
times 35.
Yeah, see, that's all we had left was the 35. Now 7 into 210, what would we have to compute?
It's 30 times 7 because you do 2 times 3 times 5.
Because you do 2 times 2 times 5. So when you have a number factored already,
Yeah.
doing division is actually really easy.
Yeah.
Because you don't have to do all the long division.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, 210 minutes. Let me ask you a question. How many hours in minutes is that? Ooh.
210.
210 minutes. How many hours in minutes is that? How long is this race going to go until they're all back together again?
So.
See if you can do it without writing anything down. 210 minutes.
Well, 60 minutes is 1 hour.
60 minutes is an hour.
60 times 3 is 180.
Okay.
Oh, 60 times 2 is 120. 60 times
60 times 3
4 is
is 240.
Yes.
And 60 times 3 is 180.
Yeah. So, well, it's 240 minus 30.
Okay.
So it's 3.5 hours.
Right. It's 3 hours, 30 minutes. It's a pretty long race until they're all back together again.
Yeah.
Pretty
I
neat.
think the one here is pretty long.
Yeah, well, that's for tomorrow. So the homework is Olympiad 20. Problem number 3, which we didn't cover at all, but hopefully that's not too hard to do. And problem number 4. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, good job. I know you're a little sick and I know you're a little tired, so
Yes.
good job today.